Hey you guys, it's Denise at My Luxury First, and today I just want to show you my 9-month pregnant belly. I'm 40 weeks and here's my pregnant belly. I am 9 months pregnant. I'm really ready for this to be over. I am getting really tired now. I'm not even a person that really likes to be pregnant. You'd think so. This is my 5th child. I had a baby 18 months ago and now I'm 40 weeks. And this is also my 2nd baby after a tummy tuck. This is how my tummy looks. And I had my tummy tuck maybe about 6 or 7 years ago. And when I had my tummy tuck, I already had messed up the plication because when I came home, I started doing like a lot of coughing and stuff. And you know, you're not supposed to really cough and stuff when you are, when you just finished the surgery, because then you bust your stitches inside. So I already had busted stitches inside, but the bottom of the tummy was always flat. And as you can see, this is flat. This is my 5th child. I will be having a C-section and I'm 40 weeks. This is my 2nd baby after a tummy tuck. So for those that wanted an update about how my tummy is looking, this is how it looks. I'm not sure if my tummy's gonna go back flat this time because it is bigger than it was last time, which was about 18 months ago. Some people keep saying like, I can't believe you are wasting your money. Like, you wasted your money getting a tummy tuck and now you've been pregnant twice. Or some people will say, well, at least your stomach will get back flat because you had a tummy tuck. And I think the people don't really understand tummy tucks. Tummy tucks, they just cut off extra skin, and also they can sew up your muscles in the inside, like do a plication like in this section, so that way your tummy can appear flat. But if you eat crazily after that, or become pregnant, or just get fat, then you fucked up your tummy tuck already. So it's not like you get a tummy tuck and you can have 10 kids after and expect for your tummy to go back flat. Or it's not like you can get a tummy tuck and just eat what you want. I mean, I always eat what I want because I didn't care, but really it's an investment. So yeah, you do want to like take care of yourself. But I think some people think that, oh, you had a tummy tuck, so your stomach's gonna automatically go back flat. And that's not exactly true. There's plenty of people that have had tummy tucks and have had kids after, and stomach be pudgy as hell after. And I never got lipo or anything like that, so just a tummy tuck, and the bottom was always really flat. So as you can see, this part is flat, but it's stretched out. So who's to say I'm not gonna have a big ass tummy after this? But we will see. Again, this is my 2nd baby after a tummy tuck. I had my tummy tuck about 6 years ago. That's the update. So this is how my tummy looks now, and once I have the baby and I heal, I will show you how my tummy looks again. If you have had a baby or 2 or more after your tummy tuck, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Or if you're thinking about getting pregnant after a tummy tuck, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and comment below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.